version. Ooh. Right. Music lady, the music a tiny bit louder. Let's do it.
Oh, nice.
Way! Who's ready? Walking around in the days I'm dizzy ever since I met you. Spend all day staring at my phone just waiting for it to come through. And I'm addicted to you. I like the way you make me feel like you do. Oh, don't care if you're lying or if you're telling the truth. I'm hot on life and it's all cause of you. You're showing me a side of me that I never knew. Cause everyone around me can see that you. Hey! Cause everyone around me can see that you. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. Around and around and around and around and you just won't let go. There's something to me that makes me lose my mind. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. It's like being on a roller coaster, spending all my time with you. One day I'm up, the next day I'm down, then I do loop to loop. Whether it's a Monday, Sunday, every day's a party when I'm with you. Cause I know that one day, someday, the rest of the party will feel it too. Don't care if you're lying or if you're telling the truth. I'm hot on life and it's all cause of you. You're showing me a side of me that I never knew. Cause everyone around me can see that you. So you guys ready? Hey! You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. Around and around and around and around and you just won't let go. There's something to me that makes me lose my mind. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. Around and around and around and around like a tornado. Around and around and around and around you just won't let go. There's something to me that makes me lose my mind. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. Around and around and around and around you just won't let go. There's something to me that makes me lose my mind. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. Thank you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoyed the fireworks. Don't forget to get on Twitter and tweet me at official Anttix, ANTTIX. Yeah. You spin me around and around and around and around like a tornado. Around and around and around and around you just won't let go. Thank you guys so much. Enjoy the fireworks. Around and around and around and around like a tornado.